world where marketing is merry and bright, Idea Decanter dares to ask, who's been naughty and who's been nice?
Whoa, ho, ho, Hallmark! We've got a list! Not a Lifetime movie. Let's check it twice.
Wait, what? I'm sorry, I can't see anything, but
Lighting. Naughty.
am I glowing?
Remember, your face should shine brighter than a Christmas tree.
Lighting.
Merry Christmas!
Sound naughty. Sound nice.
Mic check. 3, 2, 1. Ho, ho, ho.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Location. Naughty.
What? It's festive.
Location.
Good lighting, clean background. All is calm, all is bright.
Wardrobe. Naughty. Wardrobe. Nice.
Less holiday ham, more holiday brand.
Posting and ghosting. Naughty. Posting. Nice.
Don't just post, mingle. It's social media, not silent night.
At Idea Decanter, we leverage scalable solutions for your end-of-year ROI.
Naughty list.
Or, we help advisors look good on video.
Looks like this team's been nice this year. Well, mostly. Merry marketing to all! And to all, a well-scripted night.
Why are you still here? Go make your next video.